Hello everyone, I'm back. So today I'm going to tell you how to make an eggless cheesecake. So let's get started. So the ingredients you need are 1 box or 1 block of cream cheese. I have 1 cup of fresh cream. I have vanilla essence. I'm going to use 3 to 4 drops. I have 1 fresh lime squeezed. I have a few fresh cut strawberries. I have market-made graham cracker base. Now I'm using market-made graham cracker base. However, you can use homemade as well. I have 2 to 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. I've added a little water to it, and make sure when you stir it, there are no lumps. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I have 1 to 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. Okay, so the first step is to beat the cream cheese. So I'm going to take the cream cheese in my bowl, and this is room temperature cream cheese, and I'm going to beat this. So as this is prepared now, I'm going to add my cream to it. Add little by little. So now I'm going to add all my cream to it and beat it for another minute or 2. So now I'm going to add my sugar into it and beat it for another minute. So now I'm going to add my sour cream to it and beat it again for 30 to 40 seconds. So now I'm going to add my cornstarch mixture. I'm going to add my vanilla essence along with my lime juice. And now this needs to be beaten for another minute. So now I'm going to add my fresh cut strawberries into my mixture, and I'm going to mix it. So I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to add my mixture into the graham cracker. Now I'm going to take my jam and put it into the mixture. And I'm going to swirl it with a toothpick. This is how you are supposed to swirl it. So now the cheesecake should look something like this, and it's ready to go in the oven. Now it needs to be in the oven for about 40 minutes. So this is how my cheesecake looks like. It has just come out of the oven. I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and refrigerate it for about 4 to 6 hours. So now my cheesecake is ready. It was in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. And now I'm going to cut the slice. So this is my final product, and now I'm going to taste it. It's delicious. So till the time I'm finishing my cheesecake slice, why don't you go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and like my video.